on its last leg, and oh, what a storm it has been. But we can finally say goodbye to this by this evening. The last leg of this will bring heavy snow and ice from New York all the way up to Maine. So we are going to see this system depart off the coast late this evening and tomorrow. Brighter skies for the Northeast. There's a look at snowfall totals expected. Pretty light east of the Great Lakes, higher amounts in Vermont and Maine. System number 2, Winter Storm Viola, is on the scene and expected to bring more heavy snow and ice. There's a look at thread of ice stretching from the southern plains all the way into the Northeast. Now, here's the timing of this system. By tonight, Texas, the southern plains, you're going to get hit with this snow. So you will have some steady snow. San Antonio, you could see some sleet and freezing rain in there. Also, Louisiana, you could pick up some sleet, freezing rain. By Wednesday, this moves into the mid-Mississippi Valley, into the mid-Atlantic. Thursday, Friday, this storm will be in the mid-Atlantic and Northeast, where it looks like it is going to bring some heavy snow as it moves further to the east. So for the I-95 corridor, it doesn't look like you're going to make out without any snow this round. So here's a look at snowfall to come. Oklahoma, 3 to 5 inches of snow likely. Heavier amounts to the east. Louisville, you'll escape with only 1 to 3, which is good because you have had quite a weekend, an early week. Now Philly, New York, you could see as much as 5 to 8 inches.